Science in a Minute. Hello, and welcome to Science in a Minute. I'm Romy, and today we're gonna start on a very exciting topic. We're gonna start to talk about food, about the science of food, about what's in the food. And the way we're gonna do it, the way we're gonna start today, is to talk about fat. And there's a lot of information out there about fat, and there's a lot of information on products about fat, about saturated and unsaturated fats, about hydrogenated fats, about trans fats, about omega-3 and omega-6 things. And we're gonna start by talking about in what way fat is so important. One way to look at it is to think about the fact that each and every one of our 30 trillion cells is basically a tiny little droplet of water with proteins and DNA, so a little tiny droplet wrapped in a bubble of fat. And what makes this possible is the fact that fat doesn't mix with water. So you see, the fat has created a layer on top of the water, and each and every one of our cells is made that way, with a part water and a cover of fat that isolates it from the rest of the world. And so the fat is very important to living organisms, to all living organisms. All cells on the planet are built this way, with a tiny droplet of water surrounded by fat. And that's one of the reasons that fat is so important in our diet. Next time, we're going to look further at what is trans fat and what is saturated and unsaturated fats, just so you have a clearer picture of what all of this means. Fun fact: if each and every one of our 30 trillion cells was the size of a Lego brick, put end to end, not only would it go around the Earth, not only would it go to the moon, it would be actually long enough to go all the way to Mars. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm Rumi, and this was Science in a Minute. As always, if you have questions, if you have comments, if you have suggestions, if you want me to talk about something specific, and these days it would be nice if you had questions about the science of food in general, and just leave a comment. And if you want to get all of these as soon as they come out, please subscribe, like this video, and I'll keep making them. And so until next time, have a wonderful week.